Okay, so let me show you that one aspect about the stop loss I use. Before we discuss about the Hindustan Unilever, let me just show you the previous trade. So this was my previous trade. I'm going here and I'm clicking on make my mind. So see, many of you that when you are seeing this chart and not trading it, actually you'll be thinking that my stop loss is hit when this happens, right? But what actually is happening, that when the trade is triggered here, the stop loss is not triggered after that. So I'll be showing you. See, so this was my stop loss, but my stop loss here, and the trade is not triggered in this moment. So let me just remove it. When this is happening, I will be taking the low of this candle because I need to improvise on my trend line, correct? So the trade is actually getting triggered on this day. So when this is getting broken, I actually do not take immediately when the line is getting broken. So this is getting broken. In the next day, if the high of this candle is getting broken, I'll take. So I took on this day, I updated it everywhere. And see, in that case, I'll be putting the stop loss at the low of this candle. As you can see, the low of this candles is not getting broken. Okay. Now, in the next moment, after some time, I update my stop loss. So first I updated my stop loss. I always use the swing theory mostly, so it is very basic. All you need actually is the candlesticks, and do not mind this candle color, so it does not matter much. So next, after from here, I move my stop loss to here, and after some time, when it make another candle here, I move my stop loss to here, and now you can see it went up here. Today I closed the trade. I'll show you that why I closed the trade, and when I am closing a trade, you can also see that. Okay, I came back to this chart. So that trade is done. So that was a good buy trade. But why I have closed the trade, I'll show you. Because it is near the resistance, and we are in the monthly time frame right now. So sorry, I meant that in the next week we have the monthly expiry. And if you see the PCR data, open interest and stuff, you can see that the open interest is not that much of bullish basically, but this is bullish. But I am not expecting it to break everything like this. I expect it to consolidate a bit. So that is not the point. The point is it is at the resistance, so I closed it. Now what is the next trade here? So let me just remove the auto so I can just see you like show you like this. I'm just checking the weekly data. So basically you can just see this is my actual expectation that where it might go in before the next Thursday. So I'll be just selling a call idea here, 2500 255, yeah. So this is the break even I am expecting. Max expectation. So as simple as that. So I am not expecting that this will hold. I am thinking that this can break easily, and it will stay here, because whenever it is coming near the 80 edge, so you can see it broke again, it broke. So it is actually moving in the slant trend line, means this trend line, not in a horizontal trend line. So this is the very good case. And let's see what happens next. So what I will do, I will just sell a C there, and I'll sell a P something in the middle of this. So this is my range. I'll just draw it. Let me draw it. So this is my range here, and I call these trades turtle trades. So I'll just write it as turtle in my own demarcation. So this is my expectation, this one and this one, and I choose this value like very arbitrarily. You can see that this is basically somewhat like a support. If you take only look at these candles, do not look at the previous candles here. So this is the basic concept of undo switch fork. So that is another technical concept. So you can actually place here. So that is the actual correct thing to do. So 2350 and 2550. So that will be my where I am selling the idea. So let me just write on the top of the video. I do not know that if I get to write some description, because this is my sort of first video interaction. Let me just check once more. 2550 CE, And when to close this, if it is breaking by CBSL, I'll just close it. Like if it closes above this point 2550, and if it is closing below this point 2300, I'll just keep it slightly bullish. I'll just close the trade. So that is my stop loss. So let's see what happens next.